Five easy steps how to trip out like a pro. Like trip out. Do you wanna be like this? Yeah, you wanna be like that? You wanna be able to make those hits. And those hits. And those hits. Yeah, if you wanna be like those ones, if you wanna trip out like a pro, if you want it to really move, then watch this video. Cause I'm gonna show you today how to trip out. Baggy clothes. Baggy clothes. First put your baggy clothes on. I'm waiting. You got your baggy clothes on, right? So you're gonna go like this. Yeah, I know it's very awkward. Then you're gonna go back, front, back, front, back, front. You see, like, oh, you're kind of tripping out there. You're gonna go back, front, back, front. Now first, back, front. Okay. Now you gotta go back, front, and you gotta kind of jiggle. Do like this. Jiggle. You're gonna jiggle. And now you're gonna go back, front, and you jiggle. Back, front, and you jiggle. Back, front, and you jiggle. Back. Oh, sorry, I need to stop. Like this. We're gonna do this together, okay? We're gonna do this. Back, front, and you jiggle. 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 And you know, really, you can trip out basic. But you get me, we're pros. You get me, like, we can just be basic like the rest. So, like, when you trip out, I'm gonna go back. So you're gonna, you can move your legs. When you trip out, you gotta use your hands. You can use your hands. Like the normal, like the trip out when it came out, but it was doing it like that. And what you can do is always add a, like it helps. See? Is you seeing this? That's what I'm seeing. So let me show you something. So we're gonna do this trend. You're gonna go 1, 2, yeah. I'm gonna go. Well, I'm gonna show you guys a trip out dance. Pa, ka, boom, ka, boom, ka. Yo, a solid plastic. Pa, ki, boom, ka, boom, ki. And then you always gotta hit this move. Hear me, like this move is powerful. Like it's, hear me, like it's a move. Or you can always hit this. And like, you know, one tip is when you hit this, you can easily trip out. And when you trip out, like you can do something. You can go to the back. Go to the back. You can trip out. And you can always like, and that's how people are gonna know that you're pro. So they do this together. Do this together. Boom, ka, boom, ka, boom, and you can always use that. Boom, ka. Come on now. Okay. Sorry, I'll get you hot. I know you want some. Is it okay, and this was a tutorial how to learn how to triple in 4 minutes. Now, like, y'all can tag me, hashtag #ndiwandivanne, period. Okay, guys, I hope you know. Now you can trip up.